My name is Atan Krishna Tau. I am telling to the world. Let's
Arise,
arise, arouse, arisen.
ask,
Asked,
buy,
bought,
bring,
brought,
catch,
thought,
cook,
tooked,
come,
Tom,
drink,
rant,
do,
did, dot,
eat,
that, eaten,
hide,
house,
help,
help,
go,
went, done,
jump,
jumped,
laugh,
laughed,
play,
played,
ring,
ran,
say,
said,
sing,
stand,
sleep,
slept,
stand,
stood,
travel,
travel, travel,
take,
ate, taken,